Slovenia is one of the newer and smaller members of the European Union, but bordering Austria and Italy, it's at the heart of Europe. The port town of Koper on the northern shores of the Adriatic bustles with tourists. But many local people, especially in the older age group, lack the computer skills required in today's world. Here at the Pina Cyber Centre, young and old can acquire new skills. Microsoft's Unlimited Potential training programme provides hardware, software and grants for IT centres like this in places with high unemployment. The centre is run by MIS, the Youth Information and Counselling Centre of Slovenia. Pina is run by Mitja Kodic.
Pina ima status tega mladinskega multimedijskega centra, ne?
With the help of the Unlimited Potential programme, MIS gave us the opportunity to work with the youngest and the oldest population of Koper. It's very successful. People who never thought they would ever need computer skills come here and learn them, and it helps communication between the youngest and the oldest.
People here can sign up for free computer courses, including lessons in the internet and email. Their trainers are local people with an understanding of the community they work in.
Older people want to be part of the modern world. They want to go on the internet, they want to search the web, to explore what they see on TV. They want to be involved. This program allows them to do so.
In Slovenia, as almost everywhere, it's older people who find computers the greatest challenge.
I
thought I wouldn't be able to manage a computer. Now I have realised I'm able to do it, and I really enjoy it. I train myself on the public library computer for the moment, which is not very convenient, so I hope to get a computer at home.
Microsoft's Unlimited Potential programme is part of the company's corporate citizenship initiative, aimed at sharing and spreading the benefits of the digital age.
The project is working very well because the cooperation started in 2005 and MIS attracted 7 partners in the first year of the project. In 2007 the number of network members has grown to 12 centers, and this enlargement of the network means that the number of trained users that benefited directly from the program has risen.
From its headquarters in the capital, Ljubljana, MIS, the Youth Information and Counselling Centre, works closely with Microsoft to roll out computer literacy projects across the country. Matthias Medvešek is the coordinator of MIS. In his centre, young people can surf the web and also receive computing classes using the Unlimited Potential programme.
Microsoft nas je predvsem motiviral za tovrstna dela.
Microsoft motivated us to move forward in our social programme with a learning and training scheme and encouraged us to spread a network initiative throughout Slovenia.
Trainers say it's the new social dimension of MIS that's important, bringing different parts of society together and giving them new skills, old and young, employed and unemployed.
Microsoft is giving us trainings, the trainers, to help us teach different age groups, because it's really different to teach, I don't know, like students or from older people, because you have to have different approaches, they learn differently, you need to give them different exercises.
For old and young alike, computer literacy is not just a matter of learning work skills for the modern age. It's a whole new way of communicating.
I have a friend in Australia who had the same experience of cancer as me, and now I'm able to communicate with her by email. It is important to share that kind of experience with someone. My life has already changed a lot since I started the program here. I can go on the internet, send email and chat on forums. It gives me a window on the world.